Hi, I'm Jacob Pavlik with the City of Hillsboro with a quick recap of the January 16th City Council meeting. A standing ovation was in order as Fire Chief David Downey presented the Citizen Life-Saving Award to Angelica Szyminski and Officer Emery Sousa for their life-saving actions when Liberty High School student Quillen Franklin collapsed at school in November. The Council approved a contract to purchase a new fire engine that should serve the community for at least 20 years and replaces a fire engine that's 21 years old. Also, the Council approved a city application to renew a state grant that supports the Police Department's Domestic Violence Response Team. The grant is used to help victims of domestic violence, stalking, and intimate partner crimes to be safe and independent, and to maintain confidentiality. Finally, the Council adopted its 2018 Guiding Principles and Priorities, reflecting the Council's highest priorities. The list of priorities touches upon transportation, cultural inclusion, housing and homelessness, support for entrepreneurs, and more, and can be read in its entirety on the city's website. That's all for now. Another great way to stay up to date with the city news is by subscribing to the Happening in Hillsboro e-newsletter. Have a great week!